welcome to Crochet Critters. Today we'll be doing an unboxing of this massive bag of Hobbii yarn, and I'm pretty excited about this because it's got a few colors that I've been waiting for to finish off a couple of projects. So let's get started, and don't forget to subscribe if you like my stuff. Let's see what we've got here. Yay! So many balls of the super soft baby Snuggle yarn. This is the burnt orange color, and I love this color. It's such pretty orange. And we've got baby pink. Got two of those. This one's the one I've been looking for because I needed to finish off a teddy bear that I've done in this color. Super pretty, sort of rose goldy color. Green. It's like a charcoaly color. Cream. A nice light gray. And a pale blue. Another one of those. Another one of those. Brown, yellow, another green, another blue, and there's a darker sort of dusty blue, and then a darker one again. So I've got three shades of blue there, another brown, and a white, and candy. Thank you, Hobbii, for my candy, and thank you for my yarn. Super excited to use all of this and some super cuddly little projects that I've got in mind, and can't wait to get started. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and you'll see much more of this sort of stuff and my tutorials, and I've got patterns coming. So please subscribe and like this video. Let me know what you think. Thank you. Bye.